Now, as an exporter, your business will grow when more buyers can identify with your brand. So, how do buyers get to know your brand? Number one, use modern packaging and be sure it is distinct from every other packaging out there. Always ask yourself, if there are 10 other types of the same product on a shelf, how do I design my packaging so that the most people will choose me, right? This is what we did with our brand African Natural, and you can see how vibrant and different our packaging is. Now, another way to make your brand known is to have a unique brand story. Be sure to share your story and have it displayed on your packaging. African Natural has a clear story that you can see on all our packs. Other things you can do is to show your processes so people know that you have high standards, okay? Display the various certifications that are tied to your brand. Most importantly, always keep your words. No matter how good a design is, if your buyers can trust you, you are as good as dead. Remember, buyers don't just buy products, they buy a brand. And your brand must communicate professionalism, quality, and consistency. Follow these tips and you will get buyers returning to pick your products every day. You see, a strong export brand is built on credibility. When buyers trust you, they will stay with you.